wanted us to ride horses. No, I had never sat on a horseback, no, never. Meera is a good horsewoman. She was always a good horsewoman because her father was a forest officer and a forest ranger, you would call an officer, and he used to be always touring the big districts, and he had to look in the forest and go riding, you know. So Meera and her sister Franny were always on horseback, and they had their own horses, and they would go with their father. So Meera was always a good horsewoman. She loved horses, and she wanted to always to ride. So Baba brought 2 horses. Somebody gave Baba 2 horses. So Baba said Meera can ride, and Mani was also on the horseback. Elaine would give her lessons, and so then one day Baba calls me and he said, "You must also ride." I said, "Baba, I never been on a horse." So Baba said, "No, you must get on the horse and you must ride 5 minutes. 5 minutes riding." So when my time would be there, they would call me, so I'd run from the kitchen. I was cooking, so I'd leave the kitchen and run. So by the time I got up on the horse and sat on it and came down, 5 minutes would be over. So Baba said, "Did you ride?" I said, "Yes, Baba, I got on the horse and came down." So Baba said, "Didn't go riding?" I said, "Baba, 5 minutes were up. What could I do?" So Baba says, "No, no, no. You must also ride." So tells Elaine, 10 minutes, okay? So I get on the horse and a little bit of trotting, you know. Tut, 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 tut. Elaine, of course, keeps the reins and runs with me. I'm scared. I don't like riding or anything. So one day, now this horse which we had was a very huge white horse. No, it wasn't white, I think. Was it? I don't remember. Anyway, he was wild looking. I didn't like him. You know, he had a wild look in his eyes. So one day I just got up on him, and I don't know, nobody was around me. Suddenly he reared on his 2 legs, and he went down and he galloped away with me. Do you know that? I just screamed at the top of my voice, "Mere Baba, Baba, Baba!" And you know, he's galloping fast, so the reins he will fall out. I'm holding on to the saddle only, and I'm going like the Bronco rider, you know? I'm like the Wild West, you know. And I said, and I'm screaming at the top of my voice, "Baba, Baba!" And this horse, you know what had happened? Meera was riding. I was on a plateau. Meera was riding on the road below, and it pricked up his ears, you know. And when it heard that horse galloping, he felt like galloping too, you know. He didn't want all this toot 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 toot. He wanted a nice gallop. So when he heard this horse galloping down, he just bolted with me, and I'm screaming, and there's Elaine and Rano and Mani and everybody chasing me. And that horse is at his speed, you know. And I'm going on this like that, nothing in my hands, just holding on to the saddle with my life. "Baba, Baba, Baba!" I'm screaming so loudly, and Elaine and all say, "Katie, hold on, hold on." How long am I going to hold on this horse? He's coming to the edge of the plateau, you know. He could jump over with me and everything. And I don't know what happened. The reins got in his legs or something. I don't know what happened. Somehow they caught up with him. And I got down and I was shaking like this. I said, "I don't want any horses. I don't want riding." I would say, "You have to ride." "Baba, I don't want riding." The horse ran away with me. I said, "Not to be frightened. You have to ride." Okay, we go on again. So that's how we learned riding. I mean, I didn't learn actually. I never could. If you put me on a horse again, I wouldn't like it at all. So that's how we learned riding. Then Baba would enjoy all this, you know. Baba would love to see all this funny stuff, especially when one cannot do things like that properly, and we do all these funny, awkward things. Baba would really laugh. So Sarosh one day Sarosh brought a Shetland pony for Baba, a nice little stocky, so high only, with a big mane, very sweet-looking thing. So Meera and Mani, you know, they ran and jumped on the horse and did bareback riding. So Baba called me and he said, "Now you do the same. I said, Baba, I can't jump like them. Baba said, no, you have to try. So, you know what I do? I take about half a mile distance to run. I go so far, I'm running so fast, running so fast, come to reach its flanks, reach the horse's back, put my hands on the flank and just stand there. Baba said, jump. I can't jump. He's going to kick me. Again, Baba said, no, try again. I said, Baba, I really can't do it. Baba, I'm scared. Baba said, no, you have to do it. Baba would laugh. Mera would laugh. And they're all laughing. Baba said, it's so simple. Haven't you played, what did you play in the leapfrog? Baba said, it's like leapfrog. Just leap. I said, Baba, I can't do it. This horse is too high for me. So Baba said, try again. So again I'd go, take a long distance running so fast, so fast, as if I'm just going to jump and ride away, I'd come and again get stuck to that. I look at Baba, and Baba would laugh. It really became pink, He would really laugh so much. He said, I can't understand how you can't jump. I said, Baba, I can't. And then he asked the Irene and all, put her up on the, they said she must have bareback. So they put me up on this horse, and oh my God, that horse, there was nothing to hold on to, no reins, no nothing. I caught hold of its mane, and it started galloping. And I said, and I was wiggling, waggling, anytime I said I'm going to roll under its stomach or anything. And Baba was enjoying, laughing so much, seeing me scared, seeing me so funny on that horse. And so he loved all these things. Well, I didn't mind as long as it made him laugh.